Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by moving the VPN to the network edge, your router. First, verify your router supports VPN client mode or can run DDWRT, OpenWRT, or Tomato, because you cannot install apps on Oculus. Once done, download the OpenVPN config files from your VPN provider and keep your account credentials handy. Make a backup of your current router settings and note the admin password. This avoids a brick or long restore later. Now log into the router web UI and navigate to the VPN client section to begin configuration. Next, configure the router VPN client with the provider's OpenVPN. Open file and your credentials. This routes all connected devices, including the Quest, through the VPN. Make sure to set DNS to the VPN provider or a privacy DNS like 1 to prevent leaks, and enable the kill switch or auto reconnect so the Quest won't expose your IP if the tunnel drops. Once saved, reboot the router. Then, from a phone or laptop on the same Wi-Fi, confirm the external IP and server location to verify the tunnel is active. Finally, put on your Quest and join the Wi-Fi that the router is now protecting. Try the Oculus Store, streaming, or multiplayer. Slowdowns mean you should switch VPN servers or enable faster protocols like WireGuard or UDP. If an app fails to connect, adjust MTU or DNS on the router, test split tunneling for specific traffic, and confirm UDP/TCP ports aren't blocked. If the problem persists, restore your router backup, contact your VPN provider for router guidance, or try another server location. One quick fix often resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.